Learn how to create realistic looking buildings and trees in ArcGIS Pro in 3D. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another tutorial. Before you continue to watch, please take a moment to hit subscribe below if you haven't already done so. So today we will just be doing a quick ArcGIS Pro tip video where we'll be adding realistic looking buildings and realistic looking trees in 3D to our ArcGIS Pro project. So let's go. Alright, so I already have a scene opened. So first thing is that I'm going to add realistic looking buildings. So in order to do that, we go to Insert, Add Presentation, and Realistic Buildings. So you see that once you click on this, it's looking for a multi-patch feature class. However, those are not necessarily readily available unless you already have them, then that's great. But you might not have this. What you need to do in this case is convert out our layer in 3D to a multi-patch feature class. So we go to the Analysis tab and go to the Geoprocessing toolbox. And we can search up top for Layer to 3D Feature Class tool. I already know where it is, so I just browse for it under 3D Analyst Tools to find it. And I input my parameters. So once we run the tool and try to extrude the buildings again, we will see that the software picked up the newly created multi-patch feature class, and now it generates the realistic buildings. I have to tell you guys, when I first saw that term realistic buildings, I thought, this is really so cool. I thought I was gonna see windows and doors, especially since the trees are a little bit more realistic, but no such luck. Now that is generated, I know my buildings are a little taller than they are in reality. So I adjust the elevation properties until my building displays at the appropriate height. So now we will add our realistic trees. We already added our tree layer to our 2D map, and there are a bunch of points, of course. Even in 3D, it's just floating points. So I want to represent these points as realistic trees, but we can't do that in the 2D view. So we have to go to the scene view. And when we go to the scene view, again, we go to Add Presentation and then Add Realistic Trees. The points are a little bit easier to work with as there's no type of conversions. I'm prompted to find the point file, and then I'm asked to select the tree type I want to display and provide the field that has the height of the trees. So that's one thing you need to have as part of your attributes. Once done, you can see how realistic these trees are looking. Now I'm actually going to go ahead and upload these realistic looking trees to my ArcGIS online account to create a web scene. But not in this tutorial though. So you'll have to stay tuned and subscribe to see that in action. In upcoming tutorials, look out for simple analysis in ArcGIS Pro, creating your operations dashboard in ArcGIS Online, and doing some customization for your story maps. As usual, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial with a friend or colleague who you believe would benefit from this information. Also, leave a comment down below to let me know how you're liking the tutorials, or if you have any other tutorials that you'd like to see. Thanks again, and see you next time.